Hello everyone, I am Anandrishan TA. In this class, we are going to discuss about the classification of welding. At the end of this lesson, we will learn to explain the basis for the classification of welding, to differentiate between fusion and pressure welding process, identify examples under electrical, chemical and mechanical welding process, differentiate the different welding process according to the heat source. Welding is the process of joining two or more metal parts by applying heat with or without the use of pressure or filler material. Welding can be classified by two main criteria: by the heat and pressure applied and by the source of heat. According to the pressure and heat applied, it is classified as fusion and pressure welding. In fusion welding, the metal edges are melted to form a joint and no external pressure is used. The common fusion welding processes are arc welding, gas welding, laser beam welding, electron beam welding, thermit welding. In pressure or solid state welding, pressure is applied with a limited heat to join the metal below its melting temperature. The examples for pressure welding are resistance welding, friction welding, diffusion welding, explosive welding, cold pressure welding. According to the source of heat, the welding process can be classified as electric welding process, gas welding process and other welding process. In electric welding, the source of heat is an electric current. The electric welding process can again be classified as electric arc welding, laser beam welding, electron beam welding, electric resistance welding and induction welding. In electric arc welding, the main fundamental concept is that an electric arc generates sufficient heat to melt the metals together and form a strong bond. The arc welding process can further be classified as shielded metal arc welding, commonly known as stick welding or SMAW. Second one is gas metal arc welding, which uses shielding gas for protecting the molten metal. According to the shielding gas usage, it is classified as MIG welding, metal inert gas welding, which uses inert gas for shielding, and metal active gas welding, commonly known as MAG, which uses an active gas like carbon dioxide for shielding. The third one is gas tungsten arc welding, commonly known as GTAW or TIG welding, in which we use a non-consumable tungsten electrode. Next, submerged arc welding, commonly known as SAW, in which the arc is submerged in a pool of flux. Plasma arc welding, commonly known as PAW, and carbon arc welding, which uses a carbon electrode. Flux cord arc welding, commonly known as FCAW. Resistance welding is a metal joining process that uses heat generated by electrical resistance to join two metal pieces along with mechanical pressure. No filler material is needed for joining the metal pieces, so it is widely used for mass production. The amount of heat generated during the process is calculated using the formula H is equal to I squared RT. H indicates the amount of heat generated, I the amount of current in ampere, R the resistance and T the time in seconds. Electrical resistance welding can be further classified into electrical spot welding, butt welding, seam welding, flash butt welding, projection welding. Gas welding is a fusion welding process that uses a flame from a burning fuel gas. Gas welding process can be further classified as oxyacetylene gas welding, commonly known as OAW. Here, the acetylene gas is the fuel gas and oxygen is the supporter of combustion. Next one is oxyhydrogen welding. Here, the hydrogen gas is the fuel gas and oxygen is supporter of combustion. Next, we can look the oxy-coal gas welding. Here, the coal gas is the fuel gas and oxygen is the supporter of combustion. Next is oxy-liquefied petroleum gas welding. Here, the liquefied petroleum gas is the fuel gas and oxygen is supporter of combustion. Next is air acetylene welding. Here, acetylene gas is the fuel gas and oxygen is supporter of combustion. Welding process that uses heat source other than electricity or gas can be further categorized in other welding process. The other welding process are thermit welding, ultrasonic welding, forge welding, friction welding, cold pressure welding, explosive welding, plastic welding. So, in this lesson, you have learned that welding process can be categorized as fusion or pressure types and further by the source of energy. Each type is chosen according to material and job requirements. Hope you have understood the session. Thank you.